Number one tonight, Marion County leaders, they are now updating their health restrictions for the stay-at-home orders as well as large gatherings. That announcement is tomorrow morning at 10:30 a.m. Number two, the original farmers market at City Market reopens tomorrow with extra safety measures in place. Now you can see the full list of rules to follow on our live blog on the WTHR homepage. And lastly, a major step toward reopening the entire state. Indiana's expanded testing officially starts tomorrow at 20 different locations. Tonight at 11 o'clock, our own Karen Campbell walks all of us through the key information that we need to know and that your family needs to know to take full advantage of this brand new service.
More COVID-19 testing sites will open Wednesday across Indiana. All you have to do is register online for an appointment.
It'll show you which sites are closest to you.
State health leaders urge you to do it quickly.
This testing is for individuals who are symptomatic for COVID-19 or close contacts of confirmed COVID-positive patients when it is imperative that the contact continues to work and or have close contact with at-risk populations.
Indiana is teaming up with OptumServe, adding 20 new testing sites. This is the website to register, coronavirus.in.gov. Look for the tab that says COVID-19 testing information. You can register for a test and see all the testing sites by county. More testing is part of Governor Eric Holcomb's plan to stay ahead of COVID-19. The expanded testing effort will allow for 100,000 more Hoosiers to get tested per month and help with early detection, a way Governor Holcomb is trying to get Indiana back on track to reopen.
Some of those new testing sites that Karen mentioned are located in some of our state's hardest hit areas. Johnson County has seen several large COVID-19 outbreaks at nursing homes with more than 250 cases across 3 different facilities, and those are just residents, not including staff. The Tyson plant at the epicenter of the Cass County outbreak is still closed tonight. They've been testing employees for COVID-19 and implementing extra safety precautions. But the governor said today that plant should be reopening soon. Here's a snapshot of where Indiana stands tonight. We've got more than 21,000 positive cases, and as of tonight, we've got 1,213 Hoosiers who've died from COVID-19. But let me go ahead and put some of these numbers into context for you. The state of Indiana has now tested more than 115,000 Hoosiers. Our positive test rate is now 18%. That's a little bit lower than it was last week when we were around 19%. That positive test rate is one of the factors the governor is watching very carefully to decide whether reopening efforts should continue.
This roadmap that we put together in 5 stages, that's what it is. It's a roadmap. And what we do today will determine where we are on that road to our re-engagement or our recovery or our reopening.
So remember, even though we're in stage 2 of Indiana's reopening, that doesn't give us a green light to abandon all the good things we've been doing. So the things that you can continue doing are this: continue to social distance, continue to wear masks when you're out in public places and lots of people are around you, and make sure that you continue to wash your hands. That way, if we all continue to do those things, we're likely to get to stage 3 on schedule.
And under the governor's stage 2, it will now be another 6 days before restaurants can start reopening to the public. And they'll be doing so, though, at half capacity. And Indy's bustling food scene will have to wait another week after that. But tonight, our own Lauren Kostick tonight, she found several local spots.
You're at home, we're at home, so let's get together for the 13 Weather Academy. Join us on Facebook Live Tuesdays at 10.
Well, usually on Cinco de Mayo, we're used to seeing patios like the one here at Loco, full of people drinking and eating and celebrating. But this year looked a little different. Instead, people are waiting in line to pick up their carryout, the kind of business these restaurants are hoping for once they can reopen.
Very different than normal Cinco de Mayo. Fortunately, though, we are able to work with a limited menu. Getting product has been a little bit difficult from purveyors.
Ricky Tyndall is the regional managing partner for Thunderdome Restaurants, a company that owns multiple businesses downtown, including Bakersfield on Mass Ave.
Today's definitely been the busiest since we've been open.
Thank you.
But we need to come out, get some margaritas, stay away from everybody, and just pick it up and get out of here.
Yeah, it's nice to not be locked up in the house the entire time, have like a real destination to go to.
Bakersfield on Mass Ave just reopened for carryout last Friday.
We're kind of doing this as like a little bit of a slow roll. We're starting up with 4 tacos. We're doing our chips, our guac.
According to the governor's plan to get Indiana back on track, Stage 2 allows majority of restaurants to reopen starting May 11th. But in Marion County, that's pushed back to May 18th.
Slowly bringing staff back. We're starting with management, and then we're bringing, some back of house kitchen people with a little more expertise back as well. And then hopefully we can get to the point where we're bringing our servers and bartenders back.
And Tyndall says his staff is working to readjust, wearing masks and gloves and taking extra precautions.
We understand we are staples downtown, and once we open those floodgates, we don't want it to get too crazy. So we're just going to try and manage that to the best of our ability.
Lauren, thank you so much. Now, many of these restaurants were in such high demand, as you can imagine. Some even had to cancel carry-out orders a little early just so they could keep up with the demand. Now, the owners hope those customers will definitely come back, even if it's not Cinco de Mayo or Taco Tuesday. And also, help is now on the way tomorrow for small businesses that are really in need of protective gear so that they can begin reopening. That's when a state-run PPE marketplace will start accepting orders from small business owners as well as nonprofits. The goal is to fill about 10,000 orders each and every week, with the first delivery set for Friday. There are certain requirements that a business has to meet in order to qualify. Now, we have the full list posted for you right now. Just go to our website at WTHR.com/coronavirus.